figure out a way to solve the problem. I measured the old ring on the crankshaft. It was 0.4 millimeters inside. So that's what we need to accomplish. The 35 Newton meters doesn't really matter. It's a sort of start off line to get it fixed, and then you measure it anyways. Forgot to mention that, but yeah, it happens. So I can feel the force of the press tool, and I think it's around 30, 35, whatever. So it's good to go. We can work it off. Huh? Look, it wasn't hard, so it should be something like that. Huh? And now we're gonna take huh? Yeah. Oh. Ja, it's almost goed. Oh, it's still fixed here. Wait, fuck. Oh, this one is off. So, put this one on. Oh, come on, get out. Oh, get the fuck out. Oh. Yay! Just felt there's some springs here in the tool to catch the to hold the pressure on this ring. Yeah. And this ring is used to press in. Look, it's perfect like this. Yep, bloody perfect. Up and up. So we have to measure, and I think by the feeling of it, it shall be good. You have to measure. This is 0.4 deeper than the crankshaft, the end of the crankshaft, and this ring is used like this, up to go. To make the seal slide over the crankshaft. Without this tool, it's nearly very, 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 very difficult, nearly impossible. Let's say it like that. So now we can see the holes line up, and here the sensor goes in, and now we just have to click it on. First, we have to make sure all the bolts are attached. That's around 12 Newton meters, something like that. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll get you in the next one.